Hi everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to install Zoom on a PC, and this PC I am using is running Windows 10. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start by going to Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to zoom.us/download, and it's going to be this first one here, Zoom Client for Meetings. So let's go ahead and click download. Now Zoom down here starts giving you the file. Once it shows the little blue icon, it's ready to go. You can click on it, and it's initializing. Basically, it's going to start running through the installation. Okay, perfect. The application is now installed on your PC. You can go ahead and watch my other video on how to join a meeting, but that is about it. Thank you. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed but you would like to view more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.